All right. So now let's see a couple of tax functions how we can use. So first we will actually go from the date functions. So in the date functions, if you remember, we have year, month, weekday, this kind of things. So I will quickly go to calendar lookup table, and I think I have already shown you this one. So now you know how to create year column. So let's quickly create something else. So I will just delete this one. Let me just delete this column, and we will create a weekday column with weekday function. So in Power BI, we have a weekday function. I will just click on this new column, as you know how to create it already. I will name it, let's say, weekday, and then I will write weekday function. So you see we have a weekday function. You can hit tab or you can just click there. Now it is asking for the date. So in this case my date would be the date column from the calendar lookup table. So I will just write calendar lookup. So you see the date is now here. I will just hit tab, and now it is asking for dot date dot day. We don't really need this. If you want to provide this date as a month or as a day, so for that it is used, but in this case we will not use it. We will just hit comma, and now it is asking for the return type. Now what is return type? Return type is from where you want to start your week, whether you want to start from Sunday, whether you want to start from Monday, so on and so forth. Now in this case I will start from, let's say, Monday. I will write down 2, and then I will just close the bracket and I will hit enter. You will see a new weekday column has been created. So this is how you can use weekday. We have already seen how we can see year, so maybe you can practice that with your own. Now we will see how to create a month column. So let me just quickly create a month column also. So month underscore, because we already have a month. Now I will write the month function. You see we already have a month function. I will just hit tab, and then same, it is asking for the date. In this case it is again calendar lookup date, and then I will close the bracket again. I will hit enter. Now you see the month column is already created. It is July, so it is showing 7. Similarly here also it is showing 7. So this is how we actually create a month function. Then similarly we have today, we have now. So let's quickly see how we can create a today function. So I will just create a new column again, and I will write here today. And in Power BI we have a simple function called today. I will just write today, and there is nothing needed. I will just write today, open bracket, closing bracket, hit enter. If I just hit enter, you will see the today date is 14/11/2022. Maybe you can see it over here on my computer taskbar, and here also it is 14/11/2022. Now if I want now instead of today, I will just write now here. I can make changes in this column itself, or maybe let's create a new column for you. So I will create a new column, then I will write now, and then I will use the function now. If I use it, if I hit enter, you see the now column is created along with the date. So you see now it is 21:42, which is 9:42, and here also, if you can, in my taskbar you can see the time as well. So in the next lecture we will see how to create more of the functions. So let's dive in.